Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the market sense for the week of June 13th, 2017. As always, the charts in this presentation are provided to us by Genesis and their Trade Navigator software. And we're looking at a weekly bond market chart here, and bonds kind of didn't do a lot last week after a nice breakout here above this previous swing high. We would like to see a little more follow through last week, but didn't get that, and they're just sort of biding time this week. Kind of makes sense. Fed's got their two-day meeting and they'll announce what is probably an interest rate hike on Wednesday. You would think interest rate hikes would make bonds go down, and that has not been the case so far. So, we'll see what happens here. They have come down to the support here, this green line. Well, we've got two things here. One's 23.13, the other's 23.23. Split the difference, 18. That's the low so far. So there's a chance they could be holding here and on their way back up. There's also a chance that this 54.18 area here, the upper moving average, is acting as resistance. Now, I really didn't expect that going in, but since they opened below it, it's possible. It's also possible that they'll head up to 155.06 or even take out this high and just, get going to the 157 area. And, we're talking about the Fed and their statement and what might, not just what they do with interest rates, but what they might say about the economy. So move down here to the 152.20 area? Yeah, sure. That could happen. But it kind of looks like they're trying to hold support here, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. I think they might try to go up, and we'll just see how strong they are. Stocks actually have kind of already done that to a degree. The support here, that same middle moving average, in fact, is 24.17 and 3/4, which happens to be, well, it went 1 point below that. That's close enough for the government, trust me. It's possible that the upper moving average 24.32 is resistance, but they seem to be trading above that, and so that puts us right at last week's high for resistance at 24.43 and a half. If they can get above that, boy, they got room. I mean, new highs are new highs. You don't go selling new highs, so they could go almost anywhere from there. And of course, if the Fed says something that they don't like about the economy, they're only raising rates because they think the economy's good. If they suggest maybe the economy's not that good, well, we could be down here below 2400 to this lower moving average quickly. And as you can tell from the size of this move up, there's plenty of room for them to drop if they decide they don't like something. Not really expecting that, just, when the Fed talks, you never know what might come out. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable